Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Golf windscreen wipers. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself in about 10 to 15 minutes. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft cloth or towel and a small flathead screwdriver. Always replace both front wiper blades at the same time for the best visibility and consistent cleaning. To begin, you need to put your wipers into service mode. This prevents the arms from hitting the bonnet and damaging your windshield. Turn your ignition on, then immediately turn it off. Within 10 seconds, push the wiper stalk down once and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. The wipers will then move to an upright position. Now, place a thick cloth or towel on your windshield to protect it from the spring-loaded wiper arms. With the wiper arms in service mode, gently lift one arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Locate the small release clip or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this clip and slide the old wiper blade off. Be careful not to let the arm snap back onto the glass. Now, take your new blade, align it, and slide it onto the arm until you hear a secure click, indicating it's locked in place. Once both new wiper blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Next, turn your ignition back on. To return the wipers to their normal parked position, push the wiper stalk down once. The wipers will sweep across the windshield and settle back down. Finally, test your new blades with some washer fluid to ensure they provide a clear, streak-free view, enhancing your driving safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.